Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Comparative advantage questions are actually super simple once you master the logic. Let's break down this labor hour table and find the right answer fast. First, look at Portugal. It takes them 2 hours for a chair and 8 for a desk. That means making one desk costs them exactly 4 chairs and lost production time. Now check Brazil. They spend 5 hours per chair and 10 per desk. For Brazil, making one desk only costs them 2 chairs. They are much more efficient at making desks. Since Portugal loses fewer chairs per desk, they should make chairs. Brazil should make desks. This makes option D the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on these tables. Trust the given data and check steps.